I realized that most people review new equipment, but I thought I would review my old abused lawnmower. I was gifted this Briggs and Stratton 3.5 horsepower classic about 5 years ago. Since then, I have left it out in the rain numerous times, dug it out of snowbanks, put the wrong fuel mixture in, overfilled the oil reservoir, and have not once changed the plug or tuned it up. Now, I'm not proud of this, but luckily Briggs and Stratton has built a lawnmower for someone like me. Bam! First pull every time.